afternoon, welcome to Index 2024. We are here with Desert Board, a company based in the UAE, sourcing our raw materials and production facility all in-house. We take the palm tree waste, which is cut down by the municipality 2 or 3 times a year, and we create a building material. So this is a totally circular economy. We take the leaves, we shred them, we crush them, which turns into this. We then take that into our machines, we press them, we apply PMDI coating, and we end up with boards. The boards come in several different thicknesses, different sizes, and finishes depending on what you will use it for. So we're just going to look at the different types of applications that we can produce with this material as a PSB core. If you take a look at the ground, this is engineered wood with the top layer of natural wood. Now the only difference here is that the core of the material, 80% of the tile, is recycled palm strand board. We can produce it to any size, any finish, with any type of wood. We have wall panels on display. Again, totally customizable product. Strip lights, no strip lights, finished with a shine, finished without a shine as natural raw board. You can create podium. The possibilities are really endless. This is the raw board that we've placed on the ground. This is great for applications for events, concerts, any kind of temporary build. Where you remove the screws, you can reuse the same board at the next event with the same screw hole. This display talks about construction boards. So you can use this as an alternative to plywood for pouring concrete. We have a treatment on top of the board which stops the concrete when it's wet from bonding with the board. And again, this is reusable up to 40 times, which is more than plywood. This is an example of insulated walls, where again we've combined 2 boards with a structural part in the middle, and in the interior we've filled it with foam. Over here we have some very nice examples of furniture made of solid palm strand board. We've used our machines to bend, which is very achievable. It's very heavy, it's very durable. It can be used indoors and outdoors. You can see even the table structure of it is made from PSB. It's much heavier than it looks. So here are some examples of the palm strand board materials that can be produced. This entire table is made out of palm strand board. Even the closet carcass and the internal frame is all made out of palm strand board. It's a very durable, very solid material. This can be used as an alternative to standard MDF or plywood for kitchens. Here we have some examples, CNC cut designs. The design is literally anything under the sun. We have laminated wood. The bare board, this is in 20 mm. Engineered wood flooring, again with the PSB core. Fire-rated doors, as we mentioned earlier. This is an example of a board that can be used for branding. If you want to paint or apply stickers on it, this MDF layer removes any undulation from the material. If you look at the table itself, it's basically this, painted in black. And here you can see the texture of the PSB itself. One of the collections that we're proud of, using the palm strand board as a base, is our engineered wood product. Just like the standard production that we have, 80% of the board, 80% of the product is palm strand board. We use 3 or 4 millimeters of natural wood on top to finish the material. The natural wood on top can be anything from red oak, teak, mahogany, any type of wood, ash. The product is totally customizable, so a customer can come to us and say, you know what, I want a different width, I want a different length, and I want a specific kind of wood. We can do that in-house for them. There's no limitation, it's totally customizable. These are some examples of what we have. It's 2 types, 2 shades. It's a tongue and groove system. We install using an underlay, floating or with glued down. So I'll just give you some examples of the types of doors that we can produce. We have 60 minutes, 90 minutes, and 120 minutes with fire rating, certified by Dubai Civil Defense. We've also done test reports according to the British and American and European standards. We have the PSB door with a full architrave that's laminated. Obviously the laminate can come in whatever finish and style that you want. This is an example of a white door, and this is an example of a blonde wood door. Also all laminated. This is a custom design door. We've left it as bare PSB, palm strand board, which is treated with a finish to smoothen it out and to create extra fire rated possibilities. This door is 3 meters in height, so it's a custom size. Check out the door.
Yeah.